Today, I am reviewing the Betta SE solar-powered robotic pool cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. After spending several summers constantly skimming my pool by hand or watching my expensive floor cleaner ignore all the leaves floating on top, I finally decided to invest in the Betta SE solar-powered automatic robotic pool skimmer, and honestly, it has completely changed how I maintain my pool. If you have ever owned a pool, you know that the surface is where the battle against debris is won or lost. Once the leaves and pollen sink, they become a much bigger problem for your filtration system, but the Betta SE stops that process before it even starts. What makes this unit so impressive is the sheer autonomy of the system. It operates 100% on solar power, which means I never have to worry about running extension cords across the deck or fishing a dead robot out of the water to plug it into a wall outlet. The solar panels on the top are incredibly efficient. Even on days when the sky is a bit overcast, the unit keeps moving and it recharges surprisingly fast. In direct sunlight, it only takes about 5 or 6 hours to reach a full charge, and that power lasts for an incredible amount of time. I have seen this little robot still working late into the night, and even early the next morning before the sun has fully come up. The manufacturer claims it can run for over 30 hours on a single charge, and based on my experience, that is not an exaggeration at all. The core of the machine is the twin Salt Chlorine Tolerant motors. This was a big selling point for me because I have a saltwater pool, and many other robotic cleaners tend to corrode or fail after just one season of exposure to salt. These SCT motors power the propellers directly, and you can feel the reliability in how it maneuvers. It has a very clever aquadynamics design that allows it to glide through the water with almost no resistance. It picks up everything from large oak leaves and twigs down to the tiny annoying things like dust, pollen, and even pet hair that usually just passes right through standard skimmer baskets. The debris basket itself is another area where the Betta SE really shines. It uses a very fine 200-micron mesh, which is tight enough to catch the smallest particles but still allows for great water flow. What I love most is the convenience of the top handle. You do not have to lift the entire heavy robot out of the water to clean it. You just pull it to the side of the pool, open the top cover, and lift the basket out by the handle. It takes about 30 seconds to empty it and put it back. It is so much easier than cleaning out the wall skimmer or the pump basket. I will say that if you have a very small round pool under 14 feet, this might not be the right choice for you, as the navigation is optimized for larger areas. Every once in a while it might get into a little bit of a circling pattern if it hits a weird angle, but a simple restart usually fixes that immediately. It is a smart piece of technology, but like any robot, it occasionally needs a tiny bit of human intervention. Overall, the Betta SE has reduced my pool chemical usage and my pump run time because the water stays so much cleaner on its own. It is a set it and forget it solution that actually works around the clock. The blue finish looks great in the water, and the build quality feels substantial enough to last for years. If you're tired of spending your weekends with a manual skimmer net in your hand, this is the best upgrade you can give your pool. It is efficient, eco-friendly, and it genuinely delivers on the promise of 24/7 continuous cleaning. It is easily one of the most useful smart home gadgets I have ever purchased.